اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم السلام علیکم. Congratulations all viewers. We have completed simple alphabets. Today we are going to cover advanced letters. So let's begin. टे टोपी, डाल डाकिया, ड़े पगड़ी, घे घोड़ा, लेह चूल्हा, मैं कुम्हार, ने नन्हा, भे भेड़, फे फूल, थे थेला, ठे ठेला, झे झूला, छे छतरी, ध धोबी, ढ ढोल, ढ़ सीढ़ी, ख खाट. If you notice, there are some letters with those no word starts, but they come in middle, and they are also important. And that's all. Now you know all Urdu letters and how do they sound. In our next lesson, we will learn about harakat or sakanat. For example, zair, zabar, pesh, etc. Inshallah. So stay connected with us and subscribe to our channel.